Now we want to make AI fall. Falling should be a lot easier. First, let's place AI on top and the player at the bottom. I'm going to go into the AI object, walk, the animator window, and I want to create a new state. I'll call it fall platform. It's more like fall from platform, but I just call it this. And bool parameter here, similar, we have fall platform instead of jump platform. And the condition from walking to falling is fall platform is true. I'm going to go into the folder, characters, states, AI, walk and jump. Let me rename this to walk and jump state scripts. And I'm going to create a new script. I'm going to call it fall platform. Go in there. And this is going to be similar to jump platform. So Control T, jump platform. I want to copy paste the format. Rename the script fall platform and get rid of everything else. I'm going to go back to Unity, go to walk and jump folder, and I'm going to create that scriptable object, fall platform. I'll call it fall platform. And this state is going to have the ability, drag it in there. Now we want to go to this state and determine when we want to go to jump or when we want to go to fall. So I'm going to go to start walking script. So this would be jumping. I'm going to create another definition for falling, another set of code. First, let me fix this a little bit. I want to put this outside. So when the platform is higher on the end sphere, that's when we want to tell the AI to jump. And then in the opposite circumstance, where the end sphere is lower, then we simply tell the AI to go to the fall. Press F12 here. First we need the fall platform as an enum. So if the end sphere is lower than the start sphere, then we tell the AI to fall. Let me also define a situation where you want to go straight. In this case, start sphere and the end sphere are on the same Y position. In this case, you don't have to be too accurate. So first copy paste. I'm going to increase this to 0.5. And that's all we need. So now we have definitions for the AI going up, going down, and going straight. Now I'm going to go into the fall platform script. And just like before, first we need the character control. And we want to decide if we want to go left or right. So we want to see the Z direction of character control versus the Z direction of the end sphere. So we look at the end sphere's Z. So higher Z means it's on the right side. Then we tell character control to face forward. Else if the character is standing on the other side, meaning the end sphere is on the left side, then we tell the character to face the left side. From here, we are just going to tell the character to walk forward until you're close to the end sphere. So if the character, first we need the character control. And if the character is facing forward, facing the right side, we want to check again if Z is on the left side of the end sphere. Means we're not there yet. Then we say move right, and move left is false. If we're past the endpoint, that's when we stop. And then we tell the animator to repeat the process. So set active false for the animator that's controlling the walk object. We turn it off and on again. And we do the same thing with the other side. So if the character is facing left, then we want to check, we want to make sure that it's on the right side. So we start on the right side, we tell the character to move left. And then once you're past the endpoint, or on the same position as the endpoint, we tell it to stop moving, and then we simply reiterate the process. Let's hope I did everything correctly. Save everything and go back to Unity. And I'm gonna click play, turn on walk, and let's see what happens. Okay. So we iterate twice, and then we get to the player. If you remember from the start walking, the straight part, we increased the distance to 0.5, so the AI no longer tries to continue to walk. If it's close, or if the distance is 0.5 or less, then the AI is just going to stop. This is close enough for the NPC to attack. And let me try going up the ledge and test it again. Let's hope this works. Okay, seems to be working fine. Okay, I'm gonna jump down. Do it again. Okay. Looks good. Okay, I think it's working fine. I think this is good for this video. I'm pretty sure there's going to be some glitches if we make the platform a little more complex. I mean, this is a very simple level design with just a couple connections between the platforms. But for now, we got the basic AI movement working, so I'm happy about that. And that'll be it for today. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys soon.